Thumbs up. Hey guys, it's Ella here from Calling Tennessee Home, and today I'm with my husband Michael, the founder of Back2Basics Adventures.
Yeah, today we're going to be paddling the Nolichucky River. We're here in Jonesboro, just upriver from the camp, about 6.5, 7 miles, and we'll be showing you the sights on the way down. Today's a pretty calm day. It's about average water, and we're looking forward to a beautiful family outing.
Say hi.
We'll catch you on the river.
The Nolichucky? What are we doing? Paddling! Are you enjoying it?